So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about this problem, which the name of this problem is subsequence. So it states something like this: given to string s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. A subsequence, let us see what is a subsequence. Okay, so rather than reading the paragraph, I'll explain to you here. So a subsequence, we need to check if we can create s from t by removing some characters. For example, if I remove H, G and D, this string can be converted to A, B and C. So we just need to find if we return true if this is possible, otherwise we'll be returning false. Also we have to make sure that the order of this element is 1, 2 and 3. So order is not changed. So B is after A and C is after B. So the specialty of this problem, why I'm doing it, is because creating a video on it, because recently I was giving an interview and I was not able to solve this problem. Now when the problem came, when I was solving the Leetcode problems, and the problem came in front of me, and within 5 minutes I created the solution. So it's a good learning that whenever you are giving an interview, rather than focusing on that timer, you should focus on the solution. So this is the taking. So I hope you get it, like what you have exactly you have to do. I'll be removing this problem, removing that solution, and now I'll tell you how we can solve this problem. So it's really simple. What you need to do is create an L pointer which will point here, and create a R pointer which will point here. And after that, we are going to loop over this first string like this, and we are going to loop over this string, something like this. Then for this A, we'll be searching A in this entire string. We found A, like if we found a character which exists, if we found A, we are going to break the inner loop, break, okay? And if we didn't found it, we reach the end and we didn't found the element, we are just going to return false, because this string cannot be formed with the help of this string. So let us see, let us code and understand. So there will be a left pointer, initialized to 0, R pointer, and then we are going to loop over this s dot, while L is less than s dot size, and then we are going to loop over this t string also, R is less than t dot size, and after that we are going to check like if s of L is equal to s of t, t of R. So if these are equal, what I'm going to do, R plus plus, and I'm going to break this. Now what is happening here? If I found a character, for example, we were looking for A and I found an A. So I'm going to increment I and I'm going to break. Why I'm incrementing it? Because I don't want, like if it exists A here also, then it's going to point here and it's not going to make any sense. So that's why I'm going to increment R. Okay. So also we need one more variable which will initialize to false. And here we are going to do true because we found it. And after we end this loop, after ending this loop, if found is equal to false, like we didn't find the character we were looking for, which was in there, we're just going to return false. Shorthand of doing it is, if this condition was not satisfied, we're just going to return false. And at the end, if this condition is satisfied, we're just going to return true. And after looping over this array, if we found that character, if this condition doesn't get satisfied, we are going to increment L. So we didn't increment R here. Okay, so now the code is running. And it's accepted. So yeah, this was the solution, and unfortunately I was not able to clear that interview because I was not able to solve any of the problem. Like I was not able to clear, like the test cases was getting accepted, but I was not able to solve. No issue. Failures are the stepping stone for the success. So yeah, let's learn from this that rather than timer, solution is important. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day ahead and all the best for your future. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you are new. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much.